Hi, this is Professor Dan Petrock, and this is the interactive assignment for section 10.3a. This is on using simulation-based methods to make an inference for a mean. The very first one here on the interactive assignment is kind of tricky. It gives you somewhat of a hint here on how to do this, but I don't think it does a very good job, so I decided I better make this video and help everybody. So what we've got here is essentially all the home runs hit during baseball games in 2016, and they want you to generate 2,000 random samples of 15 from that batch, and then essentially find the mean of all of them, and then figure out how many of those averages of 15 are over 417.3. So first thing is open the data in StatCrunch, and we want to do a sample here. I'll try to get this a little more in here. Okay. Then we just go data, sample. We're going to sample from var 1. It says we're going to use 15 for our sample size. How many samples? We want 2,000. And we want to compute the mean for every one of them. So this is a little tricky. So we're going to build. I'm just going to type the word mean, parenthesis. I want the mean of all the samples, and I end parenthesis. So really I'm taking the mean of all those samples of those samples of 15, hit OK. And we wanted to use a fixed seed. What was that fixed seed again? 5327. So change that. 5327. And I think that's all we need. I hit compute. Hopefully. And then open it 26. Right. So there it is. That is 2,000 samples of 15 based on all these home runs. And now what they want you is, what is the average for the first one? It's 403, and they want to round it to the one decimal. So 403.5. So let's do that. 403.5. Okay. And then it says, essentially, what proportion of those means is greater than 417.3? So let's do that. And how are we going to find out how many that are greater than 417.3? I can just sort, and I'm going to sort descending because I'm looking for how many are above 417.3, and that would be right here. So there are 12 of the 2,000 that are over 417.3. So 12 over 2,000 gives you a proportion of, well, that'd be 6 out of 1,000 or 0.006. So that's the p-value, or the proportion that would be over that. So it could happen, but it's very rare. So if, I think that's it. So that's like saying if a baseball stadium did have an average of, if we did find a sample of 15 home runs that were over 417.3, that'd be super rare, and that stadium is probably different, significantly different. And then later on, I'll be doing hypothesis testing with that. But I thought I'd better show you how to do that one, and just shoot me any questions you have. Thanks.